Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I'm going to do a really quick fourth video because our friend who did this, not only is this a phenomenal product, but I wanted you to see that it comes in mint. So my daughter was helping me. We were deciding that in order to pack things, go out into the cottage, do we need to keep it in the boxes? She said, no, I think you can do it like that. And actually, I think not today, not maybe tomorrow, I will try to load at least one of these with the projects for the Bible journaling camp. So I want you to see it comes in the mint and it comes in the white. And excuse my nails, I have ink all over me and in my nails and paint. But yeah, this is amazing. So I just wanted you guys to see. When I did this for my sister, for my daughter, she was like, oh, wow. And of course, the other one was loaded with goodies. And she was just like, that is so neat. And I said, I know. So this is gorgeous. Thank you very, very much. Okay, guys, I just wanted you to see the two colors. These are by We Are Memory Keepers and Memory Keepers. Is that right? I'm just blanking out, guys. I'm just so beclept. It's not, oh, We Are Memory Keepers. Yes. So absolutely amazing. Totally beautiful. Gorgeously functional. And will be used like crazy. So, okay, friends, pray your day's blessed, creative, and lovely. Thanks for putting up for my little 2 or 3 minute video that's going to come out here. I really went on and on before, so I'm just going to make it short and sweet. But I wish I had editing down. I would just add it on. But I love you guys. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Tells you when new videos come up. Go back and watch the first 3 videos, and you will see why it just brought me to tears, just to tears. So this was sent after I had lost both my parents, these boxes, and they were in the black hole of my daughter's room. And when she was cleaning it out after her college classes ended this last summer semester that was atrocious for her, God bless her, she brought these boxes out, and it was Christmas. And I have a whole basket of paper that I had been pulling and sorting and collecting, and I can't wait to go through that. I haven't been through that since 2018, so it's going to be amazing. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this series. Please, if you would kindly give a thumbs up to every single one of these videos to say thank you to the person who was so kind, I would really appreciate it. And leave a comment below. And I didn't say this in the other videos, but thank that person, because this was... I'm just sitting here shaking my head. This is just amazing, and yeah, just amazing. And I will make sure that every bit of this comes back, and we will use it in projects first on this channel. And wow, yeah, it's just amazing. So God is good, and this person is extremely, extremely kind. So thank you. Beyond the gift of giving, clearly the gift of giving. My daddy, and to be honest, I'll say this one thing, I'll let you go. My daddy had the gift of giving, and his legacy lives on. And you sent this as a result of losing him, and I just want you to know that this is a blessing beyond all words, and this totally fits my daddy, what he meant to me. So thank you. It is a total encouragement in the loss of him. So thank you so much, and my mom too as well. Thank you. So, okay, friends, most importantly, who can you bless today? We all can't do things like this for other people, but we can make things. We can go to the Dollar Tree and make things for people. Please, what can you do to encourage the next person? I would just say pass it on, and I definitely will be passing this on for years to come. So, all right, and God forbid anything happens to me, I'll make sure that my kids pass this on. So, all right, guys, just the legacy. I don't see how my granddaughter won't be using some of these supplies. So it's just makes me mute. I know, shocking. Okay, all right, guys. Pray your day's blessed, creative, and lovely. What can you do to encourage somebody else today? That's my challenge. I'm going to pass that on, and I definitely have a lot of thinking to do, and I'll be doing some planning projects for this channel. So, wow. Okay, guys. Love you, and love you, my dear sweet friend who did this. All right, guys. I'll talk to you soon. Y'all take care. Be safe.